Hello there, you're in the house with Phobia.
Phobia? What? Who are you? Where am I? What?
This is a test. I hope you listened well in class.
Listened well in class? What test? What do we have to do?
If you don't open the doors when you're wired to solve the math problem, in time you'll end up with a man that executes.
逃がすぞ Wake up! We have to learn math! Okay, today we'll learn the arc length. To get the arc length, you have to times radius times theta, and then the theta always has to be in radians. So important is there's a star for an area. To get this sector area, you have to times 1/2 times r squared times theta. And I told you that it has to be in radians. Remember all this. Now, let's go on the example. This example, 90 degrees, the radius is 180 feet, and then we have to get the arc length. So, let's first, because we have to find the theta, and the theta has to be in radians. 1 times 90 times 180, pi divided by 180, which is gonna be pi divided by 2, right there. Now, we got the radians, 180 feet, and then the theta, pi divided by 2. Oh yeah, okay. For the arc, because we're getting the arc length, we plug it in, 180 times pi divided by 2. If you do that, it's 90 pi. But since you can't put it in pi form, let's round this, and then it will be about 283 feet. Yes. So we got the arc length. Now we have to find the area. It's area equals to 1/2 radius squared times theta. Okay, if you plug it all in, it's 1/2 times 180 squared times pi divided by 2. If you simplify all of this, then you'll get 8,100 pi. Again, we round this, and then if you round this, we shall get 5, 4, 7, 3 squared. It's an area, you get it squared. Now we got 25,447 feet squared. That's our area. Yes. Now you know this, so you became smarter. The end for today.
So with these examples, you're going to have to find one positive and one negative angle. And you see that this angle is negative 45 degrees. And we all know that a full circle is 360 degrees. So the only thing you have to do is take this angle and subtract it with 360 degrees in order to get a negative angle, which is negative 405 degrees. And then in order to get a positive angle, you can just add 360 degrees and then you get 315. But however, for this example, you see that the whole angle is 395 degrees, which is bigger than 360. So in order to get a negative angle, what would you do, David?
Subtract it by 360?
No, that's wrong, because then you'll just get a positive angle. You're supposed to get a negative angle. So you just multiply 360 times 2, so that it's bigger than the angle given, and then you'll get your negative angle, which is negative 325. And to get a positive angle, you can just subtract 360, and then you have 335 degrees. Yes.
David, wake up. So a radian is the measure of an angle in standard position whose terminal side intercepts an arc of length r. So this section is about converting between radians to degrees or degrees to radians. If you want to convert degrees to radians, you have to multiply the degree by pi divided by 180. And if you want to convert radians to degrees, you have to multiply the radian measures by 180 divided by pi. So for these examples, 125 degrees times pi over 180. So you just have to do it, 125 pi 180, and you just simplify it. It becomes 25 pi over 36. Same as this one. This one is like from radian measures to degrees. So times it by 180 over pi. So this cancels out. So it becomes 180 and 12. And you just have to simplify that. So yeah, it becomes 15 degrees.
I don't know how to do this. I have to find the reference angle. Alright. Negative 240 degrees. That would be 90, 180. So it'd be right around there. X nearest X angle. This would be 20, 60, negative 60 degrees. Find 600 degrees. 0, 90, 180, 270, 360, 450, 540, 720, 630. Do it around here. Nearest X angle, 60 degrees.